Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, this wig has been through it. I'm showing y'all she crusty, she dusty, it's time for her to get revamped. So I've literally been wearing this wig since I posted that last video, so it's been about a month or so. But right here, I just took some of this peppermint hair growth serum. I will leave the information on the product down below. It is black owned. I'm using this to just loosen up any of the spray residue that I use to lay the wig down, just so I don't take my edges out or anything like that, because I did tell y'all I don't wear wig caps when I wear these type of wigs. So just so I protect my edges and I'm not like pulling my edges out, I'm going in with the oil. Y'all, I'm finna expose myself and how my hair really looks up under this under this wig. I didn't see it last time, but I'm exposing myself, y'all. Heck. Ooh, you can see the residue from the spray and stuff, but I told y'all I'll just pull my hair down into a little ponytail. This is what she looking like. So y'all, this wig, surprisingly, I don't know if y'all remember from the last video when I showed y'all the card, but it does not have washing instructions when you buy this wig. So I actually had to go on Outre's website and find the actual washing instructions for the wig, because I didn't want to do my own thing. I wanted to make sure I took care of the wig as they suggested. So they wanted you to detangle the wig first, so that's what I'm doing. They said with a wide tooth comb, so I'm just combing through, getting any knots or anything before I put it in some water. At this point, I'm filling up the sink with some lukewarm water, and then I'm going to go in with that Cream of Nature shampoo. They did suggest adding a cap full of the shampoo, which is definitely what I did. And right here, I'm just showing y'all how crusty the edges are and all that. It's time for her to be revamped, y'all. So I did completely submerge the wig in the water, and I want to say I left that wig in there maybe 15 to 20 minutes, because it didn't really give you an exact time frame of how long you should leave it in there. It just said let it sit in the bowl for a few minutes. But after I let it sit for that long, I did take some of that same shampoo and put it on the edges, just so I could really make sure I got out any spray residue or anything else that was on the edges. At this point, y'all just see me, wringing the wig out, and I'm just going to rinse it and make sure that all of that shampoo is completely out of the wig. At this point, I'm just towel drying the hair, and then we're going to go in with some conditioner. Since we use the Cream of Nature shampoo, I am going to go in with the Cream of Nature conditioner as well. So they did suggest to just apply the conditioner in a downward motion and then wait a few minutes and then rinse it out. So yeah, what you'll see me doing here is, just applying the conditioner, then I'm gonna run it through with my fingers, and then I'll take the wide tooth comb as well, just to make sure that conditioner is evenly distributed throughout the entire wig. Because honestly, the part of the wig that needs the most conditioner is the ends of the wig, because the ends of the wig started getting a little like, I don't know, ratty looking and like knotted. So I wanted to make sure that I was just completely covering the wig in conditioner. So the instructions on the actual conditioner bottle tell you just to comb it through and then rinse it out. And then, like I said, on their actual instructions, they just said wait a few minutes. So I ended up just waiting about 2 to 3 minutes before I rinsed it under the water. And every time y'all see me rinse it underwater, I'm using lukewarm water. So now it's time to move on to blow drying. Actually, what they tell you to do is pat it dry and shake to refresh the style, and then you're supposed to let the wig air dry. Now, because I have somewhere to go and I was on a time crunch this day, I really did not have time to let it air dry, or else I would have. So the blow dryer is just on a medium setting because I didn't want to put too much heat on it since it is supposed to be air dried. And that's exactly why too I'm not being real precise with the blow dry. I'm just more so like tossing it around as opposed to, like, you know, taking a comb or a brush and going through each section with the blow dryer. Like I said, just because they're suggesting that you air dry it anyway, so I'm just tossing it and then, you know, on a medium setting. So this is what the wig is looking like after it's blow dried. I'm just combing through it right here. So because those ends were looking kind of ratty, I did go through and trim off any of the excess, like pieces that were too long or whatever, just to make it even again since we are refreshing this wig. So I did not show y'all how I installed the wig. If y'all want to see how I installed this wig or just how I installed my wigs period, I will leave a link in the description box to my last video, and I'll put a card in here somewhere because I definitely go more in detail on how I cut the lace off, how I install it, all of that. So I will leave that down there for you guys. But this time with doing the wig, I actually want to go in with a middle part because the entire time I've been wearing this wig, I've done a side part. I love side parts. I'm a side part girl, but I'm like, you know what? Let me switch it up. So I just decided to go with a middle part. And right here, I'm just kind of playing around with it, trying to get the part as even as I can and just kind of getting it to my liking. At this point, I did start flat ironing my hair. I did lose the footage where I started flat ironing the back of my hair, and I did show y'all the flat iron. So the flat iron I'm using is actually from the brand Red. It's a flat iron specifically for wigs and weaves. Now, I got this from my local beauty supply store some years ago. If I can find it online, I will. If I can find anything similar, I will link it down below for you guys. But this type of flat iron does not have any heat settings because you are supposed to be able to use it on human hair wigs and synthetic wigs, so it's already temperature controlled, so I don't have to worry about that because with this wig you can only go up to 400 degrees, so I really don't have to worry about that. So this is what the wig is looking like after I've done all of that, after I flat ironed it, y'all. This is looking so much better than how it looked at the beginning of the video. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, give it a fat thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below. I love y'all, and until the next video, y'all. Bye.